static cause. When they fail to die of epilepsy may explain increased rate of seizure in Western Africa. This is a good drug. Responsible for developing epilepsy and hallucination. Paradevelopment involvement. The incidence is higher among the age stream in case of adult person, and there is a typical confusion-like state. This state may persist from several or complex partial absent sitting position, facial appearance. There may be other causes. Investigation to exclude other causes. Example, but selection criteria includes type of epilepsy, then gradual increasing.
Neuroscience, right? Neuroscience. Neuroscience.
Completely safe in pregnancy. No anti-epileptic drug is completely safer drug, and monotherapy is always indicated. Monotherapy is always indicated.
Management of epilepsy powered by Iracel.
আমার খুব ভালো লেগেছে এখানে গাইনোকোলজিস্টরা ফরিদপুরের
We can start treatment after a single seizure. Single seizure is associated with abnormal EEG. Single seizure associated with structural abnormality of the brain, single seizure with risk job, single seizure with family history, and single seizure that is present.